You know that feeling when you've got a brilliant idea for, say, a podcast or a newsletter, but it's all just kind of floating around in your head? Well, today, we're going to take that cloud of ideas and turn it into a crystal clear, actionable plan, all thanks to a super powerful framework called the Project Tutor.
And get this, that's all it takes. Seriously, just 10 minutes to build a rock-solid foundation for pretty much any digital media project you can dream up. So, you ready? Let's do this.
Okay, so how in the world do we pull this off in only 10 minutes? Well, it all comes down to this, a really structured 7-step method. It's designed to take you from just a vague concept to a full-blown project with a clear purpose, a defined audience, and maybe most importantly, a plan that you can actually stick with. So here's our roadmap. We've got 7 key stops: name and description, promise, audience, personas, goals and KPIs, format and platforms, and finally, cadence. We're going to tackle these in 2 main phases. First, we'll build out the why and the who. That's the strategic heart of it all. And then we'll map out the how, the actual operational blueprint that brings your idea to life.
All right, phase 1, this is all about getting to the absolute core of your project. These first 4 steps, they're purely strategic. They're all about answering the 3 most important questions. What is this thing? Who is it actually for? And why should anyone even care?
Okay, you're going to want to lean in for this one, because this right here is the cornerstone of everything. Your promise? It is not just some catchy tagline. It is the real value you deliver. It's the specific change or result your audience gets from engaging with you. It is the #1 reason they will choose you over everyone else.
And here's the best part. This is the magic formula to actually write that promise. When you frame it this way, after following me, you will be able to. It completely shifts the focus from what you do to what your audience gets. It forces you to be specific, concrete, and totally focused on them right from the get-go.
The other parts of our foundation just add more and more clarity. For your name, think about your theme plus a unique little hook. The description? That's basically your elevator pitch. When you define your audience, you're explaining not just who they are, but the specific reason why they need you. And personas? That's where it gets real. You're not just talking to a demographic, you're talking to Sarah, the busy mom who needs 5-minute recipes, or David, the college student who wants complex history explained simply. See? It brings their needs to life.
So, with our what and our who totally locked in, our foundation is set. It's solid. Now, we get to build on top of it with the operational blueprint. This is the how, the tactical, nitty-gritty steps for actually executing your project and, not burning out.
You've got to know what winning looks like, right? So define 2 or 3 clear, measurable goals. But, and this is so important, just pick 1 or 2 key performance indicators or KPIs to track. Don't go crazy here. These are just the specific numbers that tell you if you're actually moving in the right direction.
And this is such a smart way to think about your actual content. You need 1 core format. That's the main thing you'll do, week in and week out. Maybe it's a weekly podcast or a daily video. You can always add a satellite format later on, like a monthly newsletter. But the key is to master 1 thing first. It keeps you from getting totally overwhelmed.
Which brings us to what might be the most crucial point of all, sustainability. Before you commit to a schedule, you have to ask yourself this one simple question. Can I realistically keep this up for 8 weeks straight? If the answer is no, or even maybe, then you need to adjust. Trust me, consistency is way more important than frequency, especially at the start. This is how you avoid burnout.
And believe it or not, just like that, the 10-minute plan is done. You have strategic clarity. You have an operational blueprint. But a plan is just a piece of paper until you take that final, most important step of all, putting it into action.
And the framework doesn't just leave you there. The very next step is to take this awesome project you've just defined and create your first piece of content, your pilot episode. This is where the plan becomes reality.
And making that pilot doesn't need to be this huge, complicated thing. All you really need are these 3 simple components: a strong hook that grabs people's attention, a super simple 5-bullet-point outline to give you some structure, and a clear call to action that tells your audience what you want them to do next. So now your plan is set. You've got the structure for your pilot right in front of you. I'll just leave you with this final thought. Based on that incredible promise you just made, what is the single most important thing your audience needs to hear from you right now? Go make it happen.